Makiria ma Akenya milioni 2 nio marahurana na murimo wa cukari. Marigitari ataramu a murimo uyu magititirithia bata wa Akenya guikara magithũrimagwo niguo kunyihia namba ĩno iria irathii na mbere na kuongerereka.
Hindi ri ukamenyekana wina cukari ugakorwo murimo uyu thaingi uthukitie higo ciaku, ugathukia ngoro yaku, ugatuma thaingi ukorwo wina stroke kana ugathukia maitho maku. Na nikio turauga atiriri, mundu ukinyetie miaka 40 agereirwo ni guthie thibitari akarorwo kana ari na cukari.
Minister anyitanire na Akenya kuhothithia mbeca cia guteithiriria ciana iria iri na murimo uyu wa cukari, akiuga ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rurongoreirie kuhurana na murimo wa cukari kaimana.
Is working to support a very important cohort within that population, children who are suffering from type 1 diabetes, who number about 2,000 already on treatment. It is suspected that we have a similar number of children not detected yet suffering from diabetes. Is out to ensure that these 2,000 children have sufficient insulin through DMI to be able to stabilize them, have them treated and get them to live normal lives.
Arauga kambeini ya kuhurana na murimo uyu thiini wa ciana igukorwo igitabanio nginya mathukuru-ini. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamu.